48 hours. No textbooks, no lectures, just kids building things that actually work. When students are given the right environment, their curiosity and confidence begin to unfold. And in moments like these, we begin to see abilities that were always there, just waiting for the right space to grow. You see them think critically, solve problems, and work together to turn ideas into solutions. And sometimes, it surprises even their parents.
She is doing things that I had absolutely no idea that she knew how to do. And that I am pretty sure she did not know how to do before she came here. She has a control interface on the computer, which is executing codes that I did not know that she knew how to program. And it is controlling a device through a breadboard that I did not know that she knew how to build. I am used to seeing kids this age use technology in a way that is purely distracting and time wasting. And what I'm seeing here is kids using technology creatively and constructively.